I never thought I was ever going to say this, but the most profitable job right now is dun 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 online events, online webinars, online education, e-learning, whatever you want to call it. Hi, I'm Veronica de Polo, and I used to be a professional conference organizer. I used to organize events with more than 10,000 people all over Europe and Latin America. I used to be the director of a service center that we handle more than 300 websites all over the world for the biggest conferences and congresses all around the globe. And I was also very involved with all the marketing that I had to do for my business. The most important thing you have to consider right now in the online world is that you don't have to have a PhD, you don't need a master's degree to teach something you love. The beauty is that today you can learn on YouTube University, you can do your research on the Google Library, and you can connect and do some networking on LinkedIn and Facebook and on Instagram and take online courses and package everything that you're learning, and then turn it into something that you want to give others. There's so many ideas out there that you need to create the event of something that you love. If this is something that you love, you have to create that event. You don't have to be a coach. You don't have to have a certificate in order to educate other people on something that you love. If you have that know-how, you have that passion, try and make that event into something that you can teach other people how to benefit from that. So one of my coaches always says, if your business can only grow by trading your time for dollars, it's not a business, it's a job. So make sure that you take into account the moment you're creating your online events. That is very, very important. So if you manage to package your know-how, put it into a little box, and you can give that box to your future potential clients, and you give this to them, and they don't have to rely on you to be there, and because they have already everything on that little package that you have already given them virtually to them, because already your know-how is already in that package. So and yes, I know there are a lot of people out there that they don't like to do the work and they don't like to do the research, and I know a lot of people go and end up copying what you're doing. And I always say, if you know your know-how and you know that you're good at it and you know that you can do it better, then let them copy. Who cares? Really, you already know that whatever you bring into an online event, whatever you bring and you give to those potential clients is because you have that extra factor that probably the other person doesn't even have. I've suffered through this through my entire life. I've always been very open to other people copying what I do, or dressing the way I dress, or anything, or even trying to take ideas that I say and then book them up and then they make them, and that is fine. The important thing is that let them copy. They're copycats. You know your worth. You know you're unique. You know that whatever you can do and your know-how, nobody can take that away from you. So make sure that whatever online event you are creating is the event that you are passionate about. So when you sit down, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna be sitting down very soon to create your online event, I want you to take into account these 3 things before you're doing that. 1, this is the moment to create your online event or educational event. 2, the idea that you're going to be creating for your online event has to come from the story, from what you love to do. You have to be sure that whatever story you've overcome, that you've been amazing about it, that you've overcome that. You have to create that maybe as an educational thing, something that you have as a hobby. You have to create that. And number 3, let me tell you that number 3 is the most important thing. Society and the mindset of society of today, it's ready for your online event. So make sure that whatever you're creating is wow, because we are in the moment, society is ready for you, and you have to give it right now. Make sure that if you like this video, you give it a like, subscribe, hit the bell, get notified, because I'm coming to you every week, every Thursday with a new video, how you can boost your business and your personal branding through online events. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave me some comments below, and I'll be more than glad to get on you there, or you can write me to info@veronicadipolo.com. I will leave you the email below in the description, and I hope you have a great day. Be safe, wash your hands, and make these online events happen now. See you in the mirror. Bye-bye.